Rhonda, once again, today I would like to go over the dreaded sale date. Uh, Unfortunately, and I would say understandably, people that get into to a situation with their mortgage, they try by themselves. They might try with a guru that's doing modifications. They might try with an attorney that has very little experience in this field. Um, and then when everything else fails, they keep looking and they keep looking, and if they're lucky to find someone with actual experience. And when do they do that? When there's a sale date. There's a sale date tomorrow. There's a sale date in a week. Um, and in your case, which is why I've always been fascinated by your practice, is in Alabama, you end up getting clients a lot of times after the house was sold. I don't want to go into that, but the typical client comes to you. There's a scheduled sale date. Again, Rhonda is in Alabama. Uh, it has a sale date scheduled. It's kind of late, but it's I dare to say sometimes, many times there you still have options, but you really need to proceed with caution. You need to do what makes the most sense for the totality of your circumstance. And only an attorney that's well versed and well experienced can guide you through these steps. So, Rhonda, give me your 1 or 2 minutes on I have a sale date tomorrow.
Okay. Well, people that come to me with a sale date are not coming to me to file bankruptcy. First of all, I don't handle bankruptcies. They may have been referred to a bankruptcy attorney. Bankruptcy attorney says they don't qualify for whatever reason. They're coming to me to find some other solution, or they don't want to file a bankruptcy. And so, we're looking at it. What's the issue? Is there been an error? Did they get proper notice? Whatever if we find an error, then we'll just jump right in and try to get in contact with the attorney that has the sale set, do a dispute letter to that attorney, and also, as quickly as we can, get off a notice of error, which we've talked about in some of our other videos, where we're notifying the servicer, hey, there's a problem here and you need to halt. Now, obviously, they're not going to have time to respond in the time before there's a sale date. So if we can't get the attorney to stop, got to file a lawsuit. That's not always going to stop the sale, but that's the best we can do if you're not, getting an automatic stay from a bankruptcy. But it can be effective.
I hate to cut you off there, but but what Rhonda actually, that was so eloquent, and I oh boy, I'm a huge fan of yours. Anyway, what Rhonda really is going to do is she's gonna get, and again, she's in Alabama. She is going to get your full story, and she's going to look for everything that she can possibly put together that she feels comfortable enough to go in front of a judge and plead your case. And I am witness. I've been up with her 1 or 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning, tearing apart guidelines from 5 years ago. Bobby, this isn't the right one. You're really amazing. I'm doing a commercial for Rhonda, but anyway, there's a lot there, and the more of these rabbit holes, the more it is the alphabet soup of consumer protection statutes that are available, that attorney that you meet up with, the better service you're going to get. And there's nothing like experience. Uh, can you just restate what I just said? Because everybody speaks a little differently.
But I'll say this. when someone comes to me and they have a sale date, you know what I want to know? I want to know who is conducting the sale. Like, what servicer are we dealing with? Because then we know, oh, this servicer is going to react this way. What attorney are we dealing with? Who's going to make that decision if they're going to stop the sale or not? Are they an aggressive attorney? Are they some attorney? You know, we deal with a lot of the same attorneys over and over in this state because there's certain law firms that handle certain things. And you can tell me my servicer X, okay, I already know what law firm that is. So then I'm ready when I write to this attorney and I say, hey, your client's messed up and here's what the problem is. That attorney, I know what to expect. I better be ready because I'm probably not going to hear anything back from them before the sale date, and I need to get my lawsuit ready. And look, I've filed those lawsuits at 9 a.m. when a sale is about to happen at 11 a.m.
Right, right. All righty. So there you have it. And again, Rhonda is in Alabama, but again, there's attorneys out there. It's just a matter of finding one you feel comfortable working with, and not being afraid to ask the right questions. And I know even that's very tough to find well-versed attorneys in this field, and it's something you literally have to be doing on a regular basis to gain any real expertise in it. All right, Rhonda, thank you so much.
Thank you.